Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnail, I'm going to show you how to pay your Atome card installment the right way. Fast, simple, and clear. So if this video will help you out, please don't forget to leave a like. Now let's get started. First, open your Atome app and log in. On the home screen, tap the Bills tab at the bottom. Under your active purchase or card, tap Pay Now beside the installment that's due. Now choosing your payment method. And here's all the payment methods available you can use. You can pay using bank through InstaPay or e-wallets like GCash and Maya. Or maybe you want over-the-counter like 7-Eleven. You can choose depending on what's available. Just follow the prompts to complete the payment. It usually takes just a few seconds. Once paid, you will get a confirmation and your next due date will be updated. And that's it. That's how you pay your Atome installment easily using the app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.